Hey everybody, I am just working on some throw pillows, so I thought I'd go ahead and turn on the camera. This is for the same family I was doing the memory quilts for. Those two were pretty basic. It was just a few seams. This one, I'm going to sew a piece here and here in black, and then the back will be solid black. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And just a quick note, when working with these t-shirts, I did go ahead and iron some interfacing on the back so that they wouldn't stretch and move around. Okay, so on the next two, they're going to be big enough to go into a pillow form, so I'm going to be putting a zipper on. I have got a really narrow little foot that I'm going to use. It's not a zipper foot, but it's nice and narrow, so I think that will be a good one to use. Now this one is just a little different because it was a little bit small, so I framed it with one of the flannel shirts, and now I can attach it. Well, first I will attach the zipper, and then I'll attach it to the back. Okay, there is the blue zipper. I went ahead and tried, I need to fix that. I tried to, top stitch that down so that it wouldn't have a lot of stretch when that pillow was inside it. Because this one, it has a flannel piece on it, whereas the other one doesn't have any stretch. So I'm going to go ahead now and open the zipper. And then all I'll have to do is close up the three sides and turn it through the zipper. Okay, so we have this one that's just going to be a little throw pillow, and I will just stuff it and then hand stitch that closed. And that one was very basic. It was a piece of the shirt just attached to one of the flannel shirts. And this one, because there wasn't much to the shirt other than this, I did go ahead and put a couple of the same fabric that's on the back on each side. And it's the same. It has a small hole for me to stuff it, and then I'll hand stitch that one closed. This one was also kind of narrow. There was some spots on the shirt that I couldn't use because I couldn't get the spots out, and so I decided to do the stripes in the same color that's on the back. And this is where a pocket came off. I'll have to wash that good. But this one was big enough to have a pillow form to go inside, so I did put the zipper on. And then this shirt was just almost big enough, so I just went ahead and attached a piece of the flannel shirt to it, and then a piece of the denim shirt on the back. And it's big enough now that I can use a pillow form, so that's why I wanted a zipper in it as well. Alright, so I will insert a picture just as soon as I get these stuffed. And I hope you guys got another idea of some things you can do with loved ones' clothing. So have a great day.